Jai Hind students, welcome back in biology classes with Chandrikant sir. Student, today I am here in front of you to discuss a very important topic of human reproduction. Clear? Yes, that is the menstrual cycle. This is really a very important topic from board point of view as well as the NEET examination point of view. Clear students? Since this is a very important topic, so I will teach you this topic in part wise. Clear? So whatever the events that takes place during the menstrual cycle, that will be in one part, and second part is related to the hormonal changes that takes place during the menstrual cycle. So both the parts are very important. Means the events that takes place in the ovary as well as in the uterus. This is the first part. Clear? And the second part includes the various changes in the level of hormone. Clear? So we will discuss in two parts. Clear students? So let me tell you about the menstrual cycle. What do you mean by the menstrual cycle? Student, this is a very important phenomena that takes place in the primates. Clear? Menstrual cycle is the characteristic feature of all the primates. Primate means a human being, monkey and the ape. Clear? And you have studied in chapter number 1. There is a estrous cycle, which is the characteristic feature of non-primates. Clear? So what is menstrual cycle? So menstrual cycle, student, it is the cyclic changes or the events that takes place in the ovary as well as in the uterus of the human female every month. Clear? This is the characteristic feature of all the normal human beings which attain the age of puberty. Let me tell you the definition which is given in NCERT. Clear? What is the definition which is given in NCERT? That is the cycle of events starting from one menstruation till the next one. Clear? Again I am repeating, the cycle of event is starting from one menstruation till the next one. This is called as the menstrual cycle. I think you are clear about the you can say the menstrual cycle definition now. Clear student? The you can say the normal menstrual cycle is of 28 days or 29 days, sometime 30 days. So you can say 28 to 30 days, or in NCERT it is written 28 days to 29 days. Clear? This is the normal cycle, but abnormal case may it may be of 25 days, it may be of 15 days, it may be of 35 days, it may be 40 days or 45 days. So this is the irregular menstruation. Clear student? So it happens in some cases. There are some females where irregular menstrual cycle takes place. Clear? So let us discuss about the normal menstrual cycle. Clear student? So normal menstrual cycle may you can say there are two events. The first one that takes place in the ovary. You have to focus ki what are the various changes that takes place in the ovary of the female and what are the changes that takes place in the uterus of the फीमेल. यही आपको देखना है कि मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल में इसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस होते हैं एवरी मंथ. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो द फर्स्ट ऑनसेट ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल इज टर्म्ड एज द यू कैन से मिनार. क्लियर? MENARCHE. clear? And it begins at the age of 10 to 12 years when a female is of 10 to 12 years. So the menstrual begins or starts. So beginning of the menstrual cycle for the first time, this is called as menarche, or you can say cessation. Cessation is termed as what? Menopause. Clear? End of the menstrual cycle at the age of 45 to 50. Clear? 45 से 50 साल की एज में ये menstrual cycle stop हो जाती है, and that term is called as the you can say menopause. पॉज हो जाता है, बंद हो जाता है, यानी नो मोर menstrual cycle, no more egg production takes place. Clear student? So I think you are clear about these two terms. Menopause, this is the beginning of the menstrual cycle, and menopause, that is the cessation of the menstrual cycle. Clear? This is often asked in the board examination. Clear, student? So now this cycle, this menstrual cycle for the ease is divided into 4 phases. Clear? Menstrual phase, follicular phase or proliferative phase, then ovulatory phase and luteal phase. Clear, student? So you focus here. I have divided it into 4 phases. Clear? So day 1 to 5th, this is called as the menstrual phase. What happens in this phase I will tell you in detail. Then 6 day to 13 days, this is called as the follicular phase. Then day 14 is very important and this is called as the ovulatory phase. Clear? And after that what happens? 15 days to 28 days, this is called as the, you can say, luteal phase. Clear, student? So the entire menstrual cycle is divided into 4 phases. Now you have got the idea. Clear? So let us discuss one by one about each phases. Clear? So what happens in the first phase, menstrual phase, student? This phase is characterized by the menstrual discharge or menstrual flow. Clear? This is characterized by the menstruation. Clear? Means the endometrial wall which is already prepared for conception. If fertilization fail to occur, then what happens? The preformed endometrial wall, you can see the red lining, you can see endometrium की wall है, it starts degenerating. Clear? And it comes out through this vagina in the form of flow discharge. Clear? So this is called as the menstruation. This happens in case of first phase, that is the menstrual phase. Clear? And this phase persists for 1 to 5 days. Clear? On an average, किसी में 3 दिन की साइकिल होती है, फर्स्ट फेज 3 दिन का होता है, किसी में 7 दिन का होता है, किसी में 4 days का भी हो सकता है. Clear? So but on an average we consider is 1 to 5 days. So first to 5 days is the menstrual phase. Student, it should be clear to all of you that the beginning of the menstruation is the first day of the new cycle. जिस दिन menstrual discharge शुरू होता है, that is the first day of the cycle. वहाँ से पहला दिन हम लोग काउंट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Clear? अब now question is asked कि what is the composition of the menstrual flow? Clear? और menstrual discharge जो होता है उसका composition क्या क्या होता है? तो very simple, the unfertilized ovum which is here वो भी बाहर आता है. Clear? Damaged unfertilized ovum, damaged or ruptured endometrial wall. Clear? Then mucus, ruptured blood vessels. Clear? And blood. So this is the composition of what? This is the composition of menstrual discharge. Clear, student? So this happens in case of first phase, that is called as the menstrual phase. Clear, student? Now what happens to the hormones, various hormones? In brief I am going to tell you. When the level of progesterone comes down, clear, student? When the egg fails to fertilize, clear, then what happens? Slowly the level of the progesterone, in case of failure of fertilization, the level of progesterone comes down. Progesterone का level जो है वो धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है. Clear, students? And because of the, you can say, low level of progesterone, the endometrial wall starts degenerating. Clear? Even the estrogen level also comes down. Clear? Estrogen का level भी कम हो जाता है. Clear? So this happens in case of progesterone and estrogen. Now let us come to the next phase, that is the follicular phase. Clear? 6 days to 13 days. The time duration is 6. छठे दिन से 13वें दिन का जो टाइम पीरियड होता है स्टूडेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द follicular phase, and this is also known as the proliferative phase. Clear, student? In this phase what happens? GnRH गोनेडोट्रोफिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, जो GnRH होता है हमारे हाइपोथैलेमस से, दैट स्टिमुलेट्स एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी। क्लियर? ये एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी को स्टिमुलेट करता है, एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी, एंड thus it starts producing FSH and LH। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? ये FSH और LH का प्रोडक्शन शुरू कर देता है। क्लियर? सो एज द लेवल ऑफ FSH इंक्रीजेस, FSH का लेवल जब राइज होने लगता है, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, सम चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस इनसाइड द ओवरी। यू हैव टू फोकस हियर। नाउ द सेकंड फेज इज द proliferative phase or follicular phase। So you already know that every month 20, near about 20, in some books it is written 6 to 12 primary follicles, they become active। Clear? So you will also get the you can say the figure 20 also. In some standard book it is written 20। Clear? So every month you can say some follicles 6 to 12, or you can say till 20 primary follicles, they become active। Clear? And they start maturing। Clear? So because of the effect of FSH, increased level of FSH, now the follicle starts developing। Clear? अब ये follicles आप देख रहे हो, तो primary follicles, then secondary follicles, then tertiary follicles, then mature Graafian follicle। So maturation of the Graafian follicle takes place in which phase? In the second phase, the follicular phase। Clear student? तो follicular phase में whatever the changes that takes place, that occurs inside the ovary। Clear? So at that time you have to know that the follicular cells, clear, they also starts producing estrogen। Clear? और एस्ट्रोजन क्या है? एंडोमेट्रियम की वॉल को रीजनरेट करने में हेल्प करता है, यानी यहां से ये रीजनरेट होना शुरू हो जाती है। आई विल शो यू इन अनदर डायग्राम, एक डायग्राम बना के आई विल शो यू इन डिटेल। क्लियर? कि व्हाट आर द चेंजेस दैट टेक्स प्लेस। क्लियर? सो विद द इंक्रीज लेवल ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन द एंडोमेट्रियल वॉल स्टार्ट्स रीजनरेटिंग। क्लियर? अब एंडोमेट्रियम की वॉल भी यहाँ पे रीजनरेट होना शुरू हो जाती है। दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू कैन से LH भी आप बोल सकते हो, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन भी आप बोल सकते हो। क्लियर? LH एंड एस्ट्रोजन। क्लियर? यानी these follicular cells जो भी हैं, ग्रेनुलोसा सेल्स वगैरह हैं, ठीक, सो दे स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग व्हाट? एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो आई थिंक यू आर क्लियर अबाउट दिस सेकेंड फेज, यानी न्यू Graafian follicle gets matured between 6 to 13 days। क्लियर? नाउ अब बारी आती है हमारी ओवुलेटरी फेज, विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फेज। क्लियर? विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फेज ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल। इन दिस फेज व्हाट हैपेंस? ओवुलेशन टेक्स प्लेस। क्लियर? ओवरी से ओवम निकल के इट इज सक्ड बाय द ओविडक्ट, यू कैन से जो फिम्बरी होते हैं वहां से सक करके ये ओविडक्ट में आ जाता है। सो ओवुलेशन टेक्स प्लेस। Clear? Ovulatory phase is characterized by the release of ovum from the ovary। अब यहाँ पे मैं फिर आपको बताऊँ, रिमाइंडर दे दूँ कि स्टूडेंट, जो ओवम रिलीज होता है वो सेकेंडरी oocyte की स्टेज में होता है। क्लियर? सेकेंडरी oocytes along with some granulosa cells they are released, यानी दुल्हन अपने कुछ सहेलियों के साथ ससुराल जाने के लिए रेडी हो गई। क्लियर? अकेले नहीं जाती है। आपको पता है कि जब विदाई होती है, यानी ओवरी से विदाई हो रही है दुल्हन की, तो दुल्हन की विदाई हो रही है तो उसके साथ कुछ सखियां भी जाती हैं, कुछ सहेलियां भी जाती हैं। तो सेकेंडरी ओवम इज द दुल्हन और ग्रेनुलोसा सेल्स आर द सहेलियां। सो दे स्टार्ट्स मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द ओविडक्ट। क्लियर? सो दिस हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ व्हाट? ओवुलेटरी फेज। अब ऐसा हुआ क्यों? ऐसा हुआ क्यों? इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द LH सर्ज। इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ LH सर्ज। यानी आप देखोगे स्टूडेंट, जब हार्मोनल चेंजेस हम आपको बताएंगे तो यू विल सी कि 14th डे पे LH is at its maximum, तो अब ये रिलीज हो गया यहां से. क्लियर? So Graafian follicles, you can say it gets ruptured. अब देखो Graafian follicle gets ruptured and the ovum is released. This is called as ovulation. कौन सा ovum? You can say secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. It should be clear to all of you. And that secondary oocyte is restricted in which phase? Metaphase second. This is very important from comparative point of view. Clear? Metaphase second के stage पे ये secondary oocyte restricted रहता है. क्लियर? अब ये आ गया यहाँ पे ओविडक्ट में आके पड़ा रहेगा और अपने पियाजी का इंतजार करेगा. क्लियर? यानी दैट ओवम विल वेट फॉर द स्पर्म. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? क्लियर? सो नाउ come to the you can see the fourth step, which is very important phase, that is called as the luteal phase. Clear? That is called as the luteal phase. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे एक चीज आपने देख लिया ना, मैंने आपको बताया, I have told you about the LH surge, यानी when the concentration of luteinizing hormone is at its peak, this is called as the LH surge. ये बहुत important है, SURGE, LH surge. This is important from competition point of view. Clear? So because of the LH surge, this Graafian follicle, matured Graafian follicle gets ruptured and the ovum is released. Clear? Now next step में luteal phase में what happens? Clear? यानी because of the luteinizing hormone. Clear? Because of the luteinizing hormone. Clear? What happens? Now the ruptured Graafian follicles, the remnants of the Graafian follicles, secondary oocyte तो बाहर आ गया. Now the remaining portion यानी granulosa cells, clear, and the theca cells. Granulosa cells, these are the granulosa cells. ये granulosa cells हैं, and these are the theca cells. Clear student? Now the granulosa cells and the theca cells, they modify and they form what? Or even the blood clot is formed, and the entire structure is now termed as what? Corpus luteum. This is called as what? Corpus luteum, which is very important part. This is the endocrine part of the ovary, and this corpus luteum, it secretes progesterone. Clear student? तो यहाँ से प्रोजेस्टेरॉन रिलीज हो रहा है, and that progesterone, the level of progesterone increases. आप NCERT का डायग्राम देखिएगा. I will also draw in the second phase of this lecture. Clear? You will see this endometrium wall जो degenerate हो गई थी, अब वो पूरी तरह से फिर से वो regenerate होके it become thick and muscular. Clear? ये पूरी तरह से thick हो जाती है for conception. Clear? क्योंकि यहाँ पे implantation होना है. Clear? That ruptured wall जो previous cycle में rupture हो गई थी, now that will again regenerate and will become very thick, spongy. Clear? And will be supplied with the blood capillaries. यहाँ पे there is a rich supply of blood capillary. Clear student? So this is because of the progesterone. और progesterone कब बना? Corpus luteum बनने के बाद, यानी corpus luteum secretes what? Progesterone. Clear student? So what happens? अब this corpus luteum persists if fertilization takes place. Clear? यानी जो ovum release हो गया, whatever the ovum is released, if it is fertilized, then corpus luteum persists. Clear? Till the birth of the baby. Clear? Till the birth of the baby, अब बच्चे के जन्म तक वो बना रहेगा. Clear? And this progesterone maintains the pregnancy. Clear? Class 11th में you have studied. So the increased level of progesterone help in maintenance of the pregnancy. Clear? Implantation में help करेगा, endometrium की wall को mature करता है student. Clear? कभी कभी what happens, you can say abortion हो जाता है, miscarriage is there. Clear? तो when concentration of progesterone gets down, it lowers down, then what happens, वो जो प्लेसेंटा होता है अपनी जगह छोड़ के हट जाता है, and that leads to abortion. So injections दिए जाते हैं प्रोजेस्टेरॉन के अलग से at the time of pregnancy. Clear? As you know, it is a pregnancy hormone. It maintains the pregnancy. Progesterone maintains the प्रेगनेंसी. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो आई हैव टोल्ड, अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गया, if fertilization occurs, then corpus luteum persists. Clear? Then what happens in case of failure of the fertilization, student? So failure of the fertilization leads to the degeneration of the corpus luteum. It degenerates, corpus luteum degenerates and forms what? Corpus albicans. ये corpus albicans बनाएगा, और जैसे ही corpus albicans बनाएगा स्टूडेंट, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का लेवल it will come down. प्रोजेस्टेरॉन लेवल comes down, और जैसे ही प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का लेवल नीचे होगा, then that leads to the again shedding of the endometrial wall. अब धीरे धीरे ये वॉल अब रप्चर करना शुरू हो जाएगी. क्लियर? और हमारी अब नई साइकिल शुरू होगी, यानी अब वो मेंस्ट्रुअल डिस्चार्ज के फॉर्म में बाहर आना शुरू होगा, यानी ये साइकिल हमारी अब शुरू हो जाएगी, नेक्स्ट साइकिल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो हियर it should be clear to you in case of failure of fertilization, corpus luteum degenerates and form corpus albicans. Clear? And this condition leads to the lowering down of the progesterone. Progesterone का लेवल एकदम नीचे हो जाएगा, and as soon as the progesterone level comes down, the previously formed or fully prepared endometrium wall it degenerates and starts shedding in the form of menstrual discharge. Clear student? menstrual flow के फॉर्म में वो बाहर निकलेगा, and that is the beginning of the new cycle. Clear student? So whatever the definition I have given, now it is hence proved here. Clear? जो definition मैंने आपको बताया था, क्या definition था student? The cycle of the event is starting from one menstruation till the next one. यही तो menstrual cycle है. Clear? So student, I hope that now you are able to understand the first phase or the first part of menstrual cycle. Clear student? In my next video or through the next explanation through the chart, I will explain you about the level of the hormones once again. This is very important. Clear? और हार्मोनल कंट्रोल ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, ये सारी बातें मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा.